What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Jeff Bailey. We got another knife today that has been sort of sitting in storage for a little while and ready to come out and make its debut on the channel. This is Great Eastern Cutlery's Titty-Ute brand Bull Moose. Classic pocket knives, Titusville, Pennsylvania. It's a carbon steel knife. This one is the Osage. It's my best guess at that. Osage orange wood. This came out late last year, later part of last year, and it has been in a tube ever since, actually. This one's kind of neat. They did this one kind of like they do the natural canvas, where they actually have a satin brushed finish on your bolsters here. You've got brass and stainless steel in the of course the steel back spring and the brass liners here. And so the Bull Moose, I guess, is a pattern where it's a two-blade knife, kind of a serpentine dog leg shape, typical Titty-Ute hot dog shield here. And then the biggest thing is that instead of like a knife with the blades at both ends, you've got one on this end, big spear. I'm sorry. You got one on this end, your big satin, no etching or anything, clip blade, long clip blade. Trying to put this line here, so if that's 2 inches, you can see its cutting edge is a little longer than 2 inches here. Maybe 2.5, 2 3/4. Really long, and on the other side we have just as long spear, so you have the best of both worlds here. Obviously wouldn't recommend use with both blades open, but it does let you kind of see them both at once. They are about the same length. It's just which blade shape sort of suits more to what you're looking to do. Let me put this guy down and see he's right about the same length overall. Both blades satin. You know, kind of simple, but you know, classic as well. And I thought the wood was interesting because I've never seen Osage orange wood in person, and it really does just have like a little orange tint to it. It doesn't look like a dyed wood or anything like that. It has real soft kind of texture to it. Like it's not as tightly, the wood is not so tightly porous as some of the other woods when they get polished down and sanded real fine like this. Very smooth, but it still kind of feels soft. And the way that they've got this finish there on the nickel steel bolsters is really cool too. Anyway, nothing much else to say, really. It's a nice knife from Great Eastern Cutlery, as always. GEC. I wonder what that's all about. I actually didn't notice that before while looking at this knife. Say something in the comments if you know what's going on with this CKC stamp here. Let us know. Main blade, we've got Titty-Ute Cutlery and made in USA. Yeah. Great Eastern Cutlery, Titusville, Pennsylvania. And our mysterious KKC, or gosh, CKC. What's going on? Of course, there's a model number. Let me know if you know what that's all about. Anyways, another great knife from Great Eastern Cutlery. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.